guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from our weekly spot. We are at CVS and we're about to get into some of the best deals that you can do this week. So y'all know how I do. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into it. So this video this week, I'm actually going to be trying to keep it mostly digital, and it's going to be a quicker video for me because CVS is a little bit weird with coupons this week. A lot of the printables are beeping. It's just a lot going on this week. So on weeks like that, I just like to keep it in and out until they get that together. So we're going to do a lot of super newbie friendly deals where you can get in and out and not have a lot of trouble. So the first one we're going to do is on the raw sugar. These are $4.99. We did this deal a couple weeks ago. No coupons needed. You buy one for $4.99, you get back a $3 extra buck, making it only $1.99. Next that we're grabbing is on the Burt's Bees. This week, these sheet masks are buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. No coupons needed. We're going to pick up two of these for $6.38 and get back a $5 extra buck, making our final cost just $1.38 for two. So now let me give you a heads up on a few coupons that were not working when I tried them at the register. This is Sunday, so they could fix this issue later on in the week or at any time. But as of Sunday, these coupons are not working, which is one of the reasons why I skipped over some of these deals. So I was really excited to get stocked up on Mach 3 cartridges. This week, these are on a spend 30, get back 15. But in order to do this deal, you need a $3 digital coupon, and then you also need the $3 printable coupon for the second one. That is where we have the issue because these are one of the coupons that are not working. So you can pick up two of these for $15.99. That'll total you up to $31.98. Check and see if you have the 7 off of 30 Gillette CRT. And then with two of the $3 coupons, we would have paid out $18.98 at the register and then gotten back the $15 extra buck, making our final cost just $1.99 each, which of course is a stock up price when you're talking about cartridge refills. Also have some hair care printable coupons that were not working this week. I tested out the Herbal Essence Bio Renew printable coupon on the P&G website. That did not work for me, along with the Garnier Fructis coupons, the printable coupons from coupons.com. They did not work either. So since the printable coupon wasn't working for the Herbal Essence, I decided to try out the one for the Charmin. And surprisingly, the $3 coupon, the printable coupon for the Charmin, does work. So I was able to use that in my spend 20, get 5 this week. So I started out on my spend 20, get 5 by picking up all household items. And I started with the Charmin. I got the 6 equals 24 rolls using the $3 printable coupon from the P&G Good Everyday site. So there's a lot of different items you can grab for the spend 20 this week. My store is out of the regular Dawn, so I'm not going to grab the Dawn, but this is an option as well. We do have a $2 digital coupon for this. I am going to grab one of the Gain dryer sheets. These are $5.49. We have a $1 digital coupon. Then I'm going to grab two of the Febreze products. These are $3.94. We have a $3.30 off of 2 digital coupon. So this is my all digital spend 20 get 5 deal. I got a $1 digital coupon for the Gain. I have a $3.30 digital coupon for the Febreze, and I got a $3 paper coupon for the Charmin. So after all of my coupons, I'm going to be down to pay $15.06 at the register. Then I am going to get back a $5 extra buck, making my final cost $10.06 or $2.50 per item. Next that we're grabbing is on the Halls cough drops. So this week these are buy two, get back a $2 extra buck, and they're $3.19 each. So I'm going to pick up 2 bags for $3.19. Buy one get one 50% off. So these two are buy one get one 50% off at $3.19, which will mean they'll total up to $4.78. After my $1.25 off of 2 manufacturer coupon, I am going to pay out $3.53. Then I'll get back a $2 extra buck, and I'm going to submit over to Ibotta for $1.50 on each bag. It'll make my final cost just 53 cents for both, or 26 cents each. So an easy deal that you can do on the Healthy Clean toothbrushes is picking up a total of 4 of them. That'll total you up to $5.56 if they're priced at $1.39 each. Use the $5 off of 3 digital coupon. You'll end up paying 56 cents for all 4 toothbrushes, which is a definite stock up price. We have a really nice deal on the Eucerin lotion. If you did not grab these when these were on sale over the past month with the $3 coupons, we still have $2 coupons and these are back on sale, spend 20 get 10. So you can pick up 3 of the 729 lotions. That'll total you up to 21.87. If you have a 3 off of 12 lotion CRT, use that, and then 3 of the $2 coupons. That will bring your final cost down to $12.87 at the register. Then you'll get back a $10 extra buck, making 3 of these only $2.87. Next household deal we're gonna grab is on the Viva. So I'm gonna grab the Viva multi-surface this week just to be a little bit different because I'm tired of picking up Cottonelle. But you can get the Cottonelle in this deal instead. So these are $10.99. When you buy 2, you're gonna get back a $5 extra buck. I did print off $1 coupons from the Viva website. Hopefully these work. I have not tested them. We will see how that goes, but we're going to use 2 of these coupons and pick up 2 of these. So these 2 are going to total us up to $21.98. After my 2 $1 coupons, I'll be down to pay $19.98 at the register. Then I'll get back a $5 extra buck, making my final cost $14.98 or $7.49 each. I'm going to need a filler item in my next transaction so that I can use my threshold coupon. I'm going to grab one of these Gillette Intimate items. These are still on clearance, and we have a $3 digital coupon that makes them as low as 49 cents. The other filler item I'm going to be grabbing is on the Colgate. So this week, the Colgate total is spend 10, get back 5. We do have a $4 off of 2 digital coupons, so I'm going to pick up 2 of these for $5.29. $4 digital coupon, I will pay out $6.58 and then be left to get back a $5 extra buck, making it $1.58 for 2 with no CRTs. Now what you want to do definitely is if you have like a Colgate CRT, like a 2 off of 6 or 2 off of 7 oral care CRT, you can pay out $4.58 and then get back the 5, making 2 of these free plus a 42-cent moneymaker. The Revlon nail polish is definitely a deal that you want to pick up this week, or you can do the bigger Revlon deal, but I decided to grab just the polish. So these are $5.79. We have a $3 digital coupon, and today we got a $4 instant coupon, and both of those are coming off at the register on the $5.79 polish. So since we got $7 in coupons on this $5.79 item, these are free plus about $1.21 in overage. All right, you guys, so we're going to go up now and do my next transaction. I have my total, my hauls, my filler items down here, my toothbrushes, along with the Gillette, and my household deals. We have both of those. Very little paper coupons in this transaction, just the Charmin, the hauls, and the 2 coupons for the Viva. And then I have my threshold coupon as well, and about 20-something in extra bucks loaded to my card. Let's see how this deal goes.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
so let's go over that transaction with all of our household items. There's our Febreze, our Viva, our Gain, our Charmin, our hauls. There is the Burt's Bees, the Colgate, the Oral-B toothbrushes. So we only ended up using 2 paper coupons in this deal because those Viva coupons did go beep beep. So something is definitely going on with the CVS system where those printable coupons are not doing what they need to do. All of our digital coupons came off: the Oral-B, the Colgate, the Febreze, the Revlon, the Gillette, and the Gain. And then I used the 20 off of 80 and my $4 Revlon CRT. My store manager was super nice, and she did print a $2 extra buck in place of those $2 in Viva coupons. So with that $2 extra buck, I only paid out $24.11 in my own extra bucks. Then I put $7.26, which was the remaining balance, on a gift card. So we paid out $31.26, and then I did get back a total of $22 in extra bucks, $5 for the spend 20 deal, $5 for the Colgate, $5 for the Viva, $5 for the Burt's Bees, and $2 for the haul. And we also got back $1 from Ibotta. So that $23 back makes all of our household items today a whopping total of $8.26. And then since my Viva coupons didn't work here, I'm probably going to take these over to Walgreens. Walgreens has the smaller packs of Viva, so they're not the 6 equal 9. They're like the value size packs on sale for $4.99. So I bet you these $1 coupons will work over there. I'm going to take them over there and probably get those for $3.99. Now I want to announce the winner of this week's $25 CVS e-gift card giveaway. The winner is Mary Lou Razzo. Mary Lou, congratulations to you. If you will send me an email at couponingwithstar@gmail.com by Saturday, I will get you verified and get your gift card over to you. And then of course we're going to do it again. All you got to do to enter this week's giveaway is hit that thumbs up button. You must be subscribed to the channel and leave a comment down below. So now let's talk about a bigger oral care deal if you want to get stocked up on the Colgate. Now, you guys, CVS pulled a fast one on me this week because I am used to all of these oral care deals being a limit of 2, especially on the, the Colgate and the Crest deals. But the spend 10, get 5 is a limit of 2, but the spend 10, get 20 is a limit of 1. And when I actually did my deal, I did it thinking that the spend 20, get 10 was gonna give me back $20. It did not. So I'm gonna show you what I bought. Thankfully my manager was nice and she gave me back the other $10, but I was gonna return it if she did not. But she did. She was nice. She was like, don't worry about it, and she gave me back the other $10. But let me show you the deal that I should have done in order to get back the 10 and the 5. So I should have mixed and matched the 10 and the 5 Colgate deal. So let me show you what I should have done, and if you have a 5 off of 30 CRT, this will be perfect for you. So what you want to do is buy $20 worth of items that are included in the spend 20 get 10. So I'm picking up 2 of the Colgate Enamel Strength, just the Enamel Strength, not the other Colgates, because those count for the spend 10 get 5. So you want to be careful, scan and make sure whatever you're picking up attaches to what you want it to. But the Enamel Strength attached to the spend 20 get 10. So I'm going to get 2 of those for $6.29, and then I'm also going to grab an Optic White toothpaste for $7.29 to get to that $20 mark, and with the 98% rule, I'm going to be good. Then I'm going to grab 2 of the Colgate Total again for $5.29, and this will cover my spend 10 get 5. So with all 5 of these items, now I'm getting back $15. So the total for this is $30.45 before any coupons are applied. So if you have a 5 off of 30 Colgate CRT, this is perfect. You want to use the 5 off of 3 digital coupon for the 3 Colgate Optic White items. Then you want to use the 4 off of 2 digital coupon for the 2 Colgate Total items. That will bring you down to $16.45 after that 5 off of 30 CRT. Then you're going to get back $15. That'll make the final cost for all 5 of these items just $1.45. Now the deal that I actually did was a lot different because I picked up $40 of the Colgate Optic White items, thinking that I would get back the $20 in extra bucks versus the 10. So I picked up $40 worth, and I used the 3 Colgate digital coupons that I had. I had 2 $5 off along with a $3. And I also used 2 of the 3 off of 18 Colgate CRTs, the one from last week, plus the one from this week. I rolled in a total of $17 in extra bucks, paid out $2.90. So I paid out $19.90, and then I did get back the $10 from the actual deal, and I got back the $10 force print that my manager was so kind enough to give me to make all of these items completely free. This week, the Maybelline products are spend 15, get back 6. So I decided to put together a deal real quick, picking up $15 in products. Both of these blush are $7.79. That totals me up to $15.58. I had a $2 digital coupon plus a 3 off of 15 Maybelline CRT. And then I had the Maybelline instant coupon from last week and the one from this week. After those coupons, that leaves me to pay $4.58 at the register and then get back a $6 extra buck, making 2 of these completely free, plus a $1.42 moneymaker. I also had $2 on Ibotta that was set to expire pretty soon. After that $2, that made that free, plus a $3.42 moneymaker. The CoverGirl products are spend 20, get back 7 this week. If you still have your $4 instant coupon, you may be able to work out a pretty decent deal with these. I decided to test. I wanted to see if that $4 instant coupon was going to reduce down or if it was going to stay whole like it was doing last week. This week, the $4 instant coupon did reduce down for me. So it just reduced down to the cost of one of the items. I picked up one of the pencils for $5.49. After the $4 instant coupon and the $3 manufacturer coupon, it was just completely free. The General Mill bars this week, you can get the cereal bars, some of the granola bars, the Fiber One bars, the Chex Mix bars. A lot of different bars are $1.99, and we have Ibotta rebates for these. So I'm going to pick up a total of 3 of them for $1.99. I have a 2 off of 6 breakfast CRT. And I also have 75 cents back on Ibotta for the Chex Mix bars. I have 50 cents back for the Fiber One brownies. So I'll get back a total of $2. So after my CRT, I'll pay $3.97 at the register. Then I will get back $2 in cash back, making my final cost for these 3 just $1.97 for all 3, or 65 cents each. In this last transaction, I'm just grabbing the treat bars and the Maybelline. After those items, I ended up paying out $8.55 on a gift card. I didn't have anything but $10 extra bucks, and I didn't want to reduce it down. I got back $6 in extra bucks for the Maybelline, and I got back $4 in cash from my Ibotta, making that transaction completely free, plus $1.45 moneymaker. So this is my complete CVS haul for this week. If I did my math right, this all cost about $6.78. So I'm gonna leave it right here. I think we did pretty doggone good, especially for this to be a very, very funny week as far as the coupons. Let me know down below, did you have any issues if you tried to use printable coupons? If so, with which ones? Or did you have smooth sailing with your coupons? Is it just me, y'all? Let me know. So please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so, so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.